Hey, so I wanted to introduce a new product to you today, and it's called the X-Brace. And this is a product that's produced by MORryde. And so let's get into it. So what I wanted to talk about was MORryde has got three different suspension stabilization items. The first one is going to be on the fifth wheel stabilizer. They have the second one is a scissor jack stabilizer, and the third one is a hitch mount stabilizer. Now these can work all independently, or they can all be worked as in conjunction, meaning two or more. So as far as the X-Brace for the fifth wheel side, as you can see, this is only going to apply to a standard fifth wheel legs. So the older style, if you have the hydraulic versions, they don't have a kit designed for those at this time. But these help to correct the side to side motion, whether you're walking inside or you have, crosswind or something like that. You're out sitting in the campground park permanently. This is keeping the trailer from doing that wobbling motion the side to side. So this stabilizes the coach. It makes everything inside more solid and secure. This next item again is an X-Brace, but it's an X-Brace for your scissor jacks. And these mount to typically any scissor jack. You'll kind of more see them on a travel trailer. Some of the smaller fifth wheels that do have scissor jacks, you would add these to them on the sides. As you can see, they mount onto the sides of it. And so when you raise and lower the jacks, they automatically extend up and down on their own, and they cause that X-Brace. So again, that's going to give you added stability. It's going to give you better support in the coach. It's going to make sure that everything stays a little bit more secure as far as when you're walking around or moving inside the coach. This again is at a park position. Also, if you have high winds, if you have, a lot of in and out traffic, we've all, ran down the scissor jacks and feel it kind of shaking and moving around. This is going to brace that up and keep you from having that motion. The next item I wanted to talk about is again another X-Brace, but it's for the 2-inch hitch receiver. And so this can get installed in your travel trailers, your fifth wheels, your Class C's, your Class B's, your Class A's. It's pretty much made for anything that has a 2-inch receiver. Now, if you do have a bigger receiver, you can always get a sleeve to sleeve it for the 2.5-inch receivers. What this is designed to do is it's same thing. It's going to add stabilization to your coach. It's going to make everything secure and keep everything from moving around inside. When it's expanded out, as you see in the bottom of it, there's a tie strap that connects the two legs, and you're doing a ratcheting motion, which is going to pull the legs in to give it that firm grip. And again, that keeps that trailer from doing that waddling side to side motion. So thanks so much for watching. And if you'd like to learn more about these products, please see the link below. Three products that I want to talk to you about. Okay. Products that's made by MORryde, and they're called the X-Braces. And that was the dog that ruined it. The X-Brace. And so for those of you that have a fifth wheel, Harvey, you're fucking killing me. This is a 3 items.